Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the Xiaomi 12 Pro, a phone that's been creating waves in the tech world. Let's dive into what this device has to offer. Design and build quality. The Xiaomi 12 Pro features a sleek design with a frosted finish that combats fingerprints like a champ. It's not just about aesthetics, the build quality is top-notch, reflecting Xiaomi's commitment to excellence. Display brilliance. Feast your eyes on the 6.73-inch AMOLED display, boasting WQHD+ resolution. It's a display that brings content to life with vibrant colors and crystal-clear sharpness. But how does it fare against the battery? We'll find out. Performance and speed. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, the Xiaomi 12 Pro is a performance beast. It's built to handle everything from daily tasks to the most demanding games. However, does it keep its cool under pressure? Let's put it to the test. Camera capabilities. With a triple 50-megapixel camera setup, the Xiaomi 12 Pro aims to capture your world with clarity and color. While it excels in daylight, we've noticed some challenges in low light conditions. And while optical zoom is missing, the digital zoom does its best to fill in. Battery and charging. The 120-watt fast charging is revolutionary, offering a rapid power-up for the Xiaomi 12 Pro. But this speed comes with a trade-off. The battery life may have you searching for outlets more often than you'd like. Software experience. MIUI 13 is at the heart of the Xiaomi 12 Pro, packed with features to personalize your experience. But with great power comes great responsibility, and in this case, a bit of bloatware. It's a double-edged sword of functionality and fluff. The Xiaomi 12 Pro is a testament to Xiaomi's innovation, blending style and substance. It's a flagship that stands out, yet it's not without its quirks. Is it the right choice for you? That's something only you can decide. Thanks for joining us as we explored the Xiaomi 12 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy and we'll see you at the next review.